Hey Textdrip family, did you know that Textdrip has its own mobile app that you can download right from our dashboard? And we have a cool desktop version available for all of our MacBook users. Today, I'm excited to show you how to download both and go through our amazing features. Now, why download the mobile app? Well, it's a perfect way to stay connected and manage your leads on the go. Live updates delivered right to your smartphone. As soon as a new message comes in, it's going to bring you seamless communications right to your fingertips. Now, let's go ahead and head over to textdrip.com and I'll show you how to download both the apps. How to get started? Well, it's really easy. At the bottom of your Textdrip screen, you're going to go ahead and scan the QR code. From here, it's going to allow you to actually log into your account. Or you can select what app actually applies to you, either Android or iOS. From here, you're going to either select which one you want, you're going to scan the QR code, and then you're going to actually click on a link. Or in your smartphone, you can actually just search for Textdrip LLC. Now, once you're logged in, there's so many things you can do within your mobile app. You can do things like manage your inbox. Within our inbox, you can always check for any unread messages, any recent messages, check your favorite, and all. But there's so much more. You can also manage your contacts easily right within inside our mobile app too as well. You want to schedule a message? Go ahead and do that so you can automate your follow-ups right within Textdrip mobile app. Now, you can also check your profile by clicking on more and checking your profile and make sure everything is up to date within your account. Want to manage your tags? Want to manage your pipelines? You can do that all within the app too as well. You can keep things nice and organized so your quick responses save time with those ready-made replies within Textdrip by using our quick responses. If you need support, you can do that right from our app by clicking on Get Support too. From here, you can actually submit support tickets. You can also manage a ton of things within our settings, like our call forwarding, drip time window, Textdrip dialer, vacation mode, toaster notification, or get those additional emails for those OTPs. Now, you can also take advantage of our referral program right from our mobile app. This way, when you get your friends to actually sign up by using your code, you can actually get $100 worth of credits too as well. You want to check out our ratings and reviews from multiple customers? Do that right from our app too as well. You can stay organized by managing your phone numbers within Textdrip, and you can also adjust your buckets option too as well. Now, the mobile app is available for all Apple and Android users, and they both look exactly alike. So it's a very seamless transition between each one. If you're always on the move and you never want to miss out on a lead, the Textdrip mobile app is a perfect companion. Download it today, stay connected anytime, anywhere. Now, for all of our MacBook Textdrip users, we also have a desktop version available for you guys that you can download right from Textdrip. By just clicking here, it's going to automatically take you to our app store. From here, you just click on open and go ahead and get signed in. Now, once you're signed in, this is how it's going to actually look. Now, this has all the same functionalities of our regular mobile app, but it's going to be right at your fingertips, right on your desktop. Now, it does all the same things you love, but right on your mobile app. For more information about the Textdrip mobile app or the rest of our dashboard, you can check out the rest of our dashboard series playlist, or you can always book a demo, use the help tabs, or always go to textdrip.com. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Thanks, everybody. Bye.